In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Adobe Acrobat Sign. Templates let you reuse prepared documents with fields already placed, saving time and standardizing your process. First, sign in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the Home or eSign tab, choose Create eSign Template, sometimes labeled Create Reusable Template. This opens the template creation page. Add your file. Drag and drop into Add Files, or click Choose Files to upload a PDF or other supported file. You can upload more than one. Acrobat Sign will combine them into a single template in the order you add them. If you need a specific order, add them accordingly. Once your files are in, continue. Next, fill out the template details. Give your template a clear, memorable name. Then choose the template type. Reusable document includes the file and the fields, so it's ready to send right away. Form field layer saves only the fields. That's useful when you want to apply the same field setup to different files later. Set permissions based on who should use this template. Only Me keeps it private to your account. My group shares it with your team in the same group. An entire organization makes it available to everyone in your org. Click Preview and Add Fields to place the fields recipients will complete. In the editor, drag items like signature, initials, date, text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down lists onto the page. Position them exactly where information needs to go. Use alignment guides to keep things neat, and size fields so they're easy to read. If a field must be completed, mark it as required. Clear labeling helps recipients know what to enter, and placing dates near signature lines reduces confusion. When everything looks right, click Save or Create Template. The template is stored in your Library or Templates area. From now on, you can reuse it whenever you send documents without redoing the setup. To use the template later, click Send for Signature. Choose Start from Library or Templates, pick your saved template, add your recipient's email addresses, and send. Acrobat Sign will include all your prepared fields, so recipients can sign and submit quickly. That's it. With a well-named, well-permissioned template and thoughtfully placed fields, you'll speed up your sending process and keep documents consistent every time.